next bot. Sadya niya.
We will now proceed to bout number 15. The boxers will be playing
Round number 13 na.
60 kilograms. Let me introduce to you first the boxer in red. Representing Leon, Iloilo,
Ano ka yun?
Edmar Cambalo.
Edmar Cambalo. Damo pants. No pants. Siyempre tumandok.
The boxer in the blue is representing Alimodian, Iloilo.
Ano mo dyan?
Rex Lawrence Calandro.
Rex Lawrence.
The referee for bout number 15, referee judge Mr. Andy Kidan. Judge 1, Mr. Raymond Paul. Judge number 2, Mr. Mel Escaliba. Judge number 3, yours truly. Calling the attention of bout number 17, Chris Dustin Aliones and Jefferson Cantomayor. Proceed to the box score.
This game is brought to you by ano na tamang balang product.
Round 1.
Okay, round na. Timingan gid siya. Timingan gid. Galaw. Yo.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was a very quick bout. The time was 7 seconds.
Delikado itong sa kasi itong bata ko spilito niya matulog bangon delikado.
Winner
Okay
by
okay.
knockout,
Good.
blue corner. Kung sa manok mas still.
Naka-experience idol, naka-experience kala na. Natural na sa bang knockout kasi Pacquiao na maguya. Natural na. Pacquiao kay knockout kita pa na kalaw ka. Enjoy. Experience. Enjoy. Cambalo. Okay guys, doon lang kita ko. Thanks for watching.